So if I go knock things over in Runie's kitchen, I get cuddles? No, I would ignore you. You guys can eat plastic if you want to, okay? You guys know better. My kitties, they don't know any better. They need me. They need me. Can you stop eating plastic, you psycho? Stop! I had to stop my cat from trying to kill himself. He's so into plastic. Stop! Oh my gosh, he's like going through my trash can. Yeah, he demands plastic. But it's not good for him. Yeah, he's ungovernable. Well, that's a hard word to say. Ungovernable. Yeah, I gotta get a trash can with a lid. You're right. That's actually a really good idea. Now he's looking at me like I have hurt him. He's looking at me absolutely brokenhearted. I'm sorry that I don't want you to get plastic tangled up in your intestines. My bad. I have to protect them. If you guys want to eat plastic and poison yourselves, go for it. Like I care. I mean, okay, wait, that sounded more harsh. Of course I do care. But also, like, you're an adult. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Except I will tell you what to do. That's not even true. I tell you what to do all the time. No, I don't hate you. I don't hate you. I don't hate you. You're already full of microplastics? That's probably true, actually. They're not found in the balls. Please stop. Drowning myself in plastic because evil woman says she doesn't care. Yeah. I mean, that's your decision. You can do it. I will just point out that hurting yourself, doing things that damage yourself makes you, like, risks making you unable to watch my streams, right? And so in a way, when you do things that damage yourself, it's also kind of like you're saying you don't care about watching my streams. Wow. And so in a roundabout way, it's kind of like saying you don't care about me. Again, you're an adult and you can do what you want, but like basically if you drown yourself in plastic, you don't care about me. So. It's just the way I see it. Of course I'm right. I'm always right. I am an adult. I'm gonna order Domino's. Domino's. Get a lava cake. Alexa, play Plastic Love. That's Plastic Love. I sang that for you guys one time, didn't I? Or wait, I didn't finish it, didn't I? I only partially sang the song, didn't I? Wow. Haha. Good morning. Nya. Good morning, nya. Nya, 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 nya.